You see these 2 screws here? Uninstall them now. After opening, you'll see 2 screws here. Remove them first. These are the 2 on the side, not the middle one. Unscrew the edge screws first. Make sure they're the ones near the edge. Remove these 2 screws first. Lift the frame upward gently after removing the screws. Pull it up carefully and unplug the screen cable. Then pull the connector out. It disconnects like the main cable. Next, check the screen assembly. You'll see 4 screws holding the screen. Remove those 4 screws. Take out the old screen carefully. Get the new screen ready and align it properly. Make sure the direction matches the old one. The cable port should face downward. Align all 4 holes correctly. If it's this model, use the rubber washers. Place 1 washer on each corner. Then tighten the screws evenly. Do not over-tighten. It may press the screen. Just make them snug and firm. Make sure all 4 screws feel balanced. Slight pressure is enough. Avoid locking them too tight. Check the screen gaps are even. Once it feels stable, the screen is fixed. Tight, but not too tight. All 4 screws should have the same pressure. Now the screen is secured. Don't over-tighten. Avoid pressing the display. Check the gap alignment. Make sure it's even. Reconnect the screen cable properly. Align the clips and snap them into place. Ensure everything is aligned. Press gently until it locks in. Reinstall the 2 screws. Tighten them to finish the installation. Check again that all screws are firm. Repeat the same for the other side. Tighten gently, not too hard. Keep the screen flat and smooth. Now close the back cover. Align the 4 clips and push them in. Insert and slide forward to lock. Push slightly to secure it. Press the edges down into the slots. Make sure it's tight. Finally, screw the cover back on. Plug in the power and test.